Imagine a plant that bursts into a kaleidoscope of colors, attracts bees like a magnet, and practically grows itself. Sounds too good to be true? Meet the sedum, the unsung hero of the gardening world. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite their reclassified name, technically Hylotelephium for some varieties, most gardeners still call them sedums, and I'm no exception. Let's dive into why these perennials are a must-have for any garden, big or small. A friend's husband recently fell head over heels for his new allotment plot, and I've been living vicariously through his gardening journey. Our conversations now revolve around compost tips and seed sowing advice, all exchanged via WhatsApp. He even sends me photos of his Lottie, and it's like watching someone else's child grow. All the pride, none of the sleepless nights. Recently, he spotted a plant on an abandoned plot next to his and asked me to identify it. My answer? Sedum, of course. Well, Hylotelephium spectabile, to be precise. A herbaceous, bushy variety that's a triple threat. Perfect for borders, dry gardens, and pots. And this is the part most people miss. It thrives for months on end, offering a rare combination of versatility and longevity. One of my favorites is herbstfreude, which translates to autumn joy, a name that perfectly captures its rich, deep pinks and reds. I remember buying one for my first balcony garden. Clueless about what it was or how to care for it. But come spring, I was amazed to see tight green leaves sprouting at its crown. Before that, it's a stunning display of color, both bold and subtle, that bees adore. Even after the blooms fade, the structural umbellifers dry beautifully, making them perfect for vases. Most of the sedums in my old garden were divisions from my mother's childhood garden, and now they've spread to her townhouse and my sister's patch. It's a family heirloom of sorts, and I'll be taking a division for my new garden soon. But here's a bold statement. Sedums are the peacemakers of the plant world. As Beth Cato puts it, they offer interest for almost every month of the year, while flashier plants take a back seat. I fell for the softer Hylotelephium substan ruprechtii pink dome at Chatto's nursery, where its gravel garden showcased just how drought-tolerant sedums can be. Its maroon foliage and pale pink flowers are a dream combination. Now, sedums aren't fans of being too wet or overfed. Powdery mildew and floppy stems can result. But honestly, you'd have to try really hard to kill one. They thrive in dry, poor soil and love a bit of sunshine. A Chelsea chop, trimming the stems by a third or even half in late May or early June, can extend their flowering period. But even without it, they'll bloom beautifully until October or later. So, are sedums the perfect perennial? I'd say they're pretty close. But what do you think? Do you grow sedums in your garden? Or do you prefer flashier, higher maintenance plants? Let's debate it in the comments. I'm all ears.